Welcome back to Daytime Live. So, last Friday, Nishan and I were having a discussion during one of the breaks, which we always do. We should show some bloopers and some
We
clips
should
from,
one day.
like when we were talking about
We might get
stuff
fired
off
though.
air.
Yeah.
And we thought that, hey, maybe we should just throw it out here during one of the segments for a chat discussion. So the topic was, or the conversation was, and we have it on our social media platform, so you guys can go over there and see what the question is. If it is, they don't hear it now. And we're going to bring it up and talk about it. It's, what do you notice first about someone you like, and how does it affect your perception of them? Now, we broke it down that how men look at women initially and how women look at men initially. So what I said first, and then we're going to read the different comments and responses, is that when men look at women first, we want to see, what she's wearing, how she looks, because we want to see as close to possible as the reality of who they are without all of that, because we want to see the real woman, the real man. And Anisha said she looks at watches, what?
I said we look at things as well, like we'll judge a guy by his watch, his shoes, some by his outfit, but
to ascertain.
To ascertain what they, no, I did not say that. Angus, what did I say for real?
His monetary value.
You lie?
Financial value.
That's not what me say.
Bank account.
Me say him.
Him rich.
That's not what I said. I said his style, like how he thinks, that type of thing. And I never said no about money on Friday.
Let's
right?
Let's look at this.
So, you guys on social media, I'm mega calling a name because one person, wicked, Governor 5501, Governor, you're wicked. It says, them wig and oh, she a go look when she take it off.
But that's what I said.
They say, you're wicked, Governor. The girl I try her best.
Know.
And somebody said, Governor, why you do it?
The girl I try her best? But, okay, somebody says, and this is Miles Shara, their teeth and fingernails, if them dirty, it's a nerp.
Mm-hmm. Daisy _underscore K24 says, their teeth and clothes, if them dirty no bother. All right. Somebody else says, no dirty clothes. All if I wear clothes, I mind the dirty work clothes. I mind the dirty work clothes. Okay. Who else?
Yes.
So Vivian Born Free says their mouth and their personal hygiene. So basically, Jamaica wanna have a thing, and a true, because Jamaican people have really nice smiles, and for the most part, really nice teeth. But what we can see from the comments here is that y'all really have a thing about them teeth,
hygiene,
and them nails, and a man obviously obsessed with the wig and how the wig layer.
It's not.
And
No.
And the makeup.
No. We want to see what you look like without the wig and without the makeup.
Mind your business. Mind your business.
So you're gonna wear makeup and wig in the house all the time?
Let me tell you something. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me have a proper conversation. The way we had a conversation last week was just about, men, women, makeup, stuff like that. I feel that a lot of men are under the misconception that women wear makeup for them to attract them. The truth of the matter is, and women, you can back me up on this if it's true, or say liar if it's not true, right?
Sorry.
Me say the women them, no the men them. So as women, if I'm feeling sad, I'm having a bad day, something, you might see me come out in makeup. I need something to make me feel happier, to just, make me feel good about myself. I wear makeup, not on TVJ, because obviously that's work, but in my private life, I don't wear makeup and stuff like that for other people. It's for me to feel better about what's going on. In me, like when we dress up or we get our nails done or whatever, I feel good. I don't do it to it. Is that amen? So we get an amen from the other girls. And women predominantly don't do it for men. And I think men think that we do certain things for them. And the truth is we don't do it for y'all. We do it for us.
But I'm not saying you do it for us.
But you get what I'm saying? Like,
I understand what you're saying.
Like we're trying to hide and be like, no, I'm Shrek. Some women
have bad days every single day.
Well, some women do.
Every day?
Some women, I know some women who, for them, it's like putting your armor on to go out in the day. But, you know what I mean? So
you talk about it's an armor for what I said. For men, it's a facade because we don't know what you look like. And we want to know
but we don't care. You understand what I mean? We don't care that you want to know what to... So then approach us and we have the conversation as we develop in our relationship. You will see what I look like.
With a picture to say, hey, this is what I look
Well,
like.
I never said, what I'm saying is, what is this thing that we have, the fascination, and maybe we're going a little bit off track here, and I don't mean to, I apologize, for men always telling women what they should.
No, that's not what. Hey, 2 foot on the brakes there.
Stop it.
Draw the brakes. No. What I'm saying is that when I talk to my peers, when I'm talking to peers, I'm talking about men. We want to know what a woman looks like for real, without the makeup, blemishes and all, because for us as men, we are visual creatures. And if I know how you look, right, and I am accustomed to that, you don't need to change. You don't need to. If you want to put some makeup on for your own purpose, fine. But me want to know what the real woman looks like.
And I think that's true. But then I think when women go out in them bonnet and thing natural, men still say, why should I just put on like a makeup and put on that?
Nisha, you must admit that you have some women who, if you see them 100 times for the year, in whatever space, them always in makeup, they're always made up, them always that. Them a go to the gym, them have on makeup, them a go sleep, them have on makeup, them a go out. I want to know what you look like, and men say that all the time. I want to know what you look like. The whole for makeup don't matter to me. I want to know what this
And I hear that, but what I'm trying to say is, it's none of your business. That's what I mean. If you and I are in a relationship or something and we're trying to get to know each other, that's one thing. If I leave the house and I want to wear makeup, that's my right and my privilege.
No, I'm not saying
you get what I'm saying? I'm like, why do you, this fascination with,
Nisha,
I want to see what you look like. And me not care, if you get what I mean.
But just like
you get what I mean when I say that?
When you look at the watch, the kind of watch, you look at the shoes and all that, that's a reflection of my monetary value or financial status, because I can put on the fake ones and all that, and then I pop down and broke.
But
and
the truth is, we have to wait over time, because a lot of men, when you date them on the first day, their representative come out, and the Mercedes come out, and the big meal come out, and the shoes come out, and this, and you're like, yeah! Only to find out a couple of weeks later, a couple of months later, in my valet for the car,
so the car belongs. So you want to know.
My point is, everybody, my point is, everything takes time. Intimacy, that takes time. So I will find out over time how your pockets stay, and you are gonna find out over time if Shrek.
So you're
all of us is
my
over
pocket.
time.
You said.
That's what you just said, no.
Guys,